Good afternoon. Again, I got my lavender flowers here into the doorstep of my house, and this is what it look like. The flowers is come out a bit late this year. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe because I put this into the shade by the front door of my house, and this kind of flowers need to be exposed into the sun or sunlight, something like that. That's why the flowers come out a bit late. I only got one little pot or a big pot, I mean, now, because I start having this into a small pot, but every year it's really growing nicely. So this is the pot that I had here, but every year it's growing nicely, which is very nice. Yeah, I love it. So I water this every day as well, especially this summertime. But during the winter time or springtime, I just leave it outside and it come out nicely. So quite strong plants, really, kind of part of hardy plants as well. So I'm pretty happy by having this anyway, because I can't afford having too much flowers at the moment because my space here in my garden is not big enough. Yeah, not big enough. So I just trying to kind of limit having plants and flowers around here. It would be nice if we got a big garden, then I can have all flowers that I want. Yeah, anyway, can't be staying much longer in here anyway. It's a bit kind of heavy wind today, and it's not much sunshine going on. So I think I got that feelings that might having rain again, but that's pretty normal. It'd be nice having rain anyway, because at the moment the grass and the soil underneath, they're all kind of brown. Look at that. It's pretty dry, really dry. So you need to have a rain, really. Anyway guys, I'm not staying pretty much longer here. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you like it, and see you for my next one. Thank you. Bye.